Welcome. In front of me I have ZTE Blade V2020, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. Let's make a few tries and let's see how it performs. Of course you can find sensor on the back in the smartphone. So let's make the test. As you can see, it works fast. There is no any problem with the recognition. The sensor recognizes my fingerprint every time. Yeah, so as you can see, it works really fast and it's reliable. That's all. If you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.